Good morning, departure Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well and thank you so much for coming along on today's video. Today's video is going to be a response to a viewer's request for more information about the cost of operation of one of the most efficient jets on the market today. It's the SF50 Vision Jet, and the request came in by viewer Jason Haney. Thank you a lot, Jason, for the request. I was on a flight the other day between Nashville, Tennessee and Laconia, New Hampshire, and I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to make this video. Just understand, I'm a regular guy, a pilot, and a jet owner. I'm not a CPA, accountant, or financial advisor. The information contained in this video is just my opinion and my impression after owning a SF50 Vision Jet for approximately 3 years. I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks again, Jason, for the request.
Good, everybody. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for coming along. And I wanted to assist some of the viewers with an understanding of what it costs to own and operate an SF50 Vision Jet. I get a lot of questions about that, and after publishing a recent video, one of the viewers said, hey, it'd be nice to know what it costs to operate the aircraft. So wanted to provide a little bit of information with you in flight here, if you don't mind, or if you're curious. So I own and operate a Generation 1 Vision Jet. For those that aren't familiar, there are currently 3 generations of Vision Jets. The Generation 1, the Generation 2, and the Generation 2 Plus, also commonly referred to as G1, G2, or G2 Plus.
Johnstown, Picard 4662, thank you.
Good morning. So each of those aircrafts kind of have a little bit different cost of ownership, cost of acquisition, and ultimately cost of operation. I believe the new jets, the newest G2 Plus jets are selling on the market for, of course, brand new factory delivery, delivering at about $3.6 million. The Generation 1 jets, on the other hand, to purchase those used, somewhere around $2 million, depending upon time and aesthetics of the aircraft. And so I generally think of cost of operation of this Generation 1 Vision Jet to be about $1,100 an hour, wet, which means that's inclusive of fuel. Now, I average about 100 to 150 hours of flying this Vision Jet per year. So I kind of average out my insurance costs, my hangar costs, and the included Jetstream maintenance program, if you will, into one price, and it comes out to be about $1,100 an hour. Now, Jetstream is, again, a prepaid maintenance program that comes with these Vision Jets. I should say it is associated with these Vision Jets. It encompasses the Williams International TAP Blue engine program. So for engine maintenance, scheduled engine maintenance and such like that, that's covered through the TAP Blue portion of the Jetstream maintenance program. And then other scheduled maintenance, such as tires and brakes and scheduled parts, time-sensitive parts, if you will, and other interval maintenance situations that are, again, scheduled maintenance. That's all included in the prepaid Jetstream program. Now, the Generation 1 Jetstream program costs roughly about, I think it's about $620 per hour of flight time. And of course, you have to prepay that. So you prepay normally in 150-hour blocks. And that 150-hour block will last you essentially, well, better part of a year. It's a 12-month term. Now, you can also sign up for 2-year terms, I think in 3-year terms, and maybe even 4-year terms. And of course, you'll have to buy a lot more prepaid maintenance at that point. I believe the largest maintenance program, Jetstream program that is available, is a 600-hour plan. So that's a lot of flight time. That's and again, that's over a 3-year period. So if you're flying less than 200 hours a year, you probably don't want to purchase 600 hours of prepaid maintenance. So now when I say hours of prepaid maintenance, I don't mean they're going to work on the plane and you're paying per hour. What I'm saying is for every hour you operate the aircraft, you pay roughly $620 in the case of the Generation 1 to pay for the Jetstream program. Now, what's included in Jetstream? Again, as I mentioned, it's prepaid maintenance, so anything that's, I'm sorry, pre-scheduled maintenance, anything that's pre-scheduled or interval maintenance items, that's all included. If you were to say, you know, back your Tesla into the aircraft or something like, that's not on the maintenance program. That is more like out of pocket or on your insurance. So that's a different situation. But in terms of maintenance, again, prepaid maintenance through the Jetstream program, it costs about $620 an hour. And you buy, again, 150 hours, and you get a 12-month term to use that up. If you don't use that up, you basically give it back to them. And the Jetstream program benefits from your unused time. You don't get it back, and you don't get a refund. So it's incumbent upon you to pick the Jetstream program that's going to fit your flying. Now, of course, at any point you can renegotiate and establish a new Jetstream contract, a new term. That's not a problem at all. But that's how that sort of works. Now, what's included in Jetstream? Again, prepaid maintenance, as I covered several times here, or pre-scheduled maintenance. Now, all of the database subscriptions are included for this aircraft. So included in Jetstream is the database subscriptions through Jeppesen. And so you get all the Jeppesen databases updates every 28 days and or 56 days. And so that's included. Now, the aircraft also has a satellite phone. And so you can make Iridium calls or text messages from the airplane. The airplane has its own phone number, so people can actually call the airplane while you're flying it. Now, when you're not flying it, no one's going to answer the phone. And when they send a text message to the plane and you're not in it, you won't receive it. But while you're in the air, you can receive and send text messages and make phone calls. And that Iridium subscription through Garmin is also included in the Jetstream program. So you don't pay extra for that. Now, you can also take advantage of some training through Cirrus, and I believe one instrument proficiency check per year, which would be about 6 months after your recurrent or your initial type rating, you'll go for an IPC. And your IPC is included. I believe you pay for the aircraft expenses, fuel, and of course your Jetstream time to do it, but the instructor in training is included in the Jetstream program. And then finally, your recurrent training and recurrent check ride per FARS 6158 are included as well. And that's probably about a $15,000 value for that portion of it. So the Jetstream program is something that allows these owners, including myself, to sort of establish a flat rate for cost of operation. Again, I believe mine's about $1,100 an hour on average. And so when I budget every year for how much flying I can do and how much volunteer stuff I can do for Angel Flights or Patient Airlift Services or Lifeline Pilots or Veterans Airlift Command, I factor that in. It's going to cost me at least $1,100 an hour for this. So in any case, that's how the Jetstream program works and how we prepay maintenance on the aircraft. Now, one restriction, of course, is that all of the maintenance for the Vision Jet has to go through a Cirrus Vision Jet authorized service center or a factory service center. So you can't have your Uncle Bob working on the Vision Jet for you and doing the maintenance. So in any case, that's how that is wrapped up. In the case of the Generation 2 and Generation 2 Plus Vision Jets, the Jetstream cost per hour is probably upper $500 to $600 per hour for the Jetstream for those aircrafts. And now, remember, the G2 Plus aircrafts include Wi-Fi. So initially, when you buy a Jetstream, you get an initial data package so you can use the Wi-Fi in the aircraft. But the data plan is not very large and it's quite expensive to renew. So most people have found that the Wi-Fi is not that great just because it's so expensive to use it. And the Vision Jet, you probably can't count on it as a long-term solution until they renegotiate the data rates for the Wi-Fi bandwidth. So in any case, I hope that makes sense, and always happy to answer any questions for you. Thanks a lot for coming along in this video, and we'll talk to you down the road.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. I can't thank you enough for supporting the channel with your questions, comments, and feedback, all of which are very much appreciated. If there are any subjects related to the SF50 Vision Jet you'd like covered on this channel, make sure you let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to do what I can for you. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you in the next video. I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.